In Badagongshan Mountain of Zhangjiajie, a singular sound is often heard, resembling the beating of wings. The low-pitched sound travels quite far. It is generated by the Reeves pheasants when fluffing their feathers. The male birds often resort to this unusual behavior to proclaim the boundaries of their territory. The male Reeves pheasants have elegant long tail feathers, rivaled by few bird species in the world. The nearly 2-meter long tail feathers set them apart. The sumptuous tail feathers have earned them celebrity status in the woodland. But the attention has come with a catch. Because of the bold colors, it is hard for the pheasants to elude the gaze of predators in the forest. They have to rely on their natural wariness and acute hearing and sight to detect any signs of danger before taking flight or scurrying on foot to safety. The male's long tail feathers have another function. They are used in courtship of the opposite sex. In Zhangjiajie, late March each year is the breeding season for Reeves pheasants. Whenever a female shows up, trailing behind will be several male suitors. The males will either display their tail feathers or ascend the treetops to demonstrate their superb flying prowess. But the female remains unimpressed. Another male comes into sight with its impressive physique. This pheasant strolls up and down beside the female, gaining her recognition. Such a courageous, valiant partner can definitely provide security. When two pheasants become a couple, they will find an optimal location to build a nest and lay eggs. After 24 to 27 days of hatching, new life will come into this world. Having exerted itself to break the shell, the chick regards its surroundings curiously and takes its first tentative steps. The female refrains from helping the babies in order to foster their self-reliance. Only in this way can the chicks stand a chance in a ruthless world. One day after their birth, the chicks can look for food on the grass. But to earn the status as woodland celebrities, they still have a lot to learn. The Reeves pheasant is a rare species found only in China. It has a very small population. The World Pheasant Association, BirdLife International, and International Union for Conservation of Nature all list it as a vulnerable species. However, this rare bird species are quite a common sight here in the forests of Zhangjiajie. As resident birds, the pheasants prefer to live in mountain woodlands. At altitudes between 400 and 1,500 meters, once settled in a habitat, they seldom migrate. The Badagongshan primeval forest in Zhangjiajie boasts an intact woodland ecological system rarely found in subtropical regions. It is one of China's first state-level nature reserves and has been enjoying close protection for 30 years. This has allowed the Reeves pheasant to have an easy and carefree life here. The suitable climate and excellent natural ecological environment have made Zhangjiajie a paradise for the Reeves pheasant.